The day is finally here. Today is first call as we officially open for orders on the all-new 24 model year Dodge Charger Daytona. At Dodge, we are dedicated to pushing the boundaries, and with this new muscle car, we are just getting started. We know performance drives our enthusiasts, and that is why for the inaugural 24 model year, every RT comes with a factory-installed direct connection Stage 1 upgrade. Every Scat Pack includes the Track Pack and the factory-installed direct connection Stage 2 upgrade. And they all include the choice of an at-home Level 2 charging station or $600 in charging credits through Free to Move Charge. Plus, they all qualify for the full $7,500 federal tax credit when leased. We are so excited for you to experience the next generation of muscle that we have one more special, over-the-top performance package for those that place their order with a dealer. You'll get a full 2 days of performance driving instruction at the Radford Racing School in Chandler, Arizona, with a driving curriculum specifically designed around the all-new Charger Daytona. And when you get there, they will have a first call Fratzog welcome kit waiting for you. And for the true race glove treatment, our Dodge Charger Daytona VIP concierge will be available to you to answer all of your questions and get you scheduled for the racing school. So head on over to Dodge.com and check out our all-new 360-degree 3D configurator. You can link out to our horsepower locator on DodgeGarage.com to find a dealer near you that is certified to sell the all-new Charger Daytona. The next generation of American muscle will start arriving in Dodge Charger Daytona certified dealerships in the fourth quarter. We look forward to seeing you behind the wheel of the world's quickest and most powerful muscle car.